How can divorce mediation help entrepreneurs divide a business? When a marriage ends and a business is on the line, the path you choose to resolve that dispute can mean the difference between protecting what you built and watching it unravel in a courtroom. Divorce mediation allows business-owning spouses to work with a neutral mediator and, when needed, a valuation professional to determine the company's fair worth and negotiate a realistic path forward. Rather than surrendering control to a judge, mediation empowers both spouses to craft business-specific terms such as a buyout, continued co-ownership, a profit-sharing arrangement, or a coordinated sale. New York follows equitable distribution under Domestic Relations Law, Section 236(b), meaning marital property is divided fairly based on the circumstances of the case rather than split automatically down the middle. Courts weigh factors including each spouse's income and property, the length of the marriage, their direct and indirect contributions, asset liquidity, probable future finances, and the practicality of keeping a business interest intact. A business started or acquired during the marriage is generally presumed to be marital property, though the picture becomes far more complicated when separate and marital interests overlap over time. Even a business you owned before the marriage is not automatically shielded from division, because appreciation driven by active spousal efforts or commingled funds can create a marital claim on part of its value. Mixing marital and separate funds makes it harder to trace a business owner's separate property claim, which is why maintaining clear records and dedicated accounts can be critically important throughout a marriage. Litigation carries real risks for business owners, including reduced control over outcomes, broader financial disclosure requirements, significant cost and time demands, and the kind of heightened conflict that can damage ongoing professional relationships. Mediation, by contrast, keeps communications generally confidential, allows both spouses to decide whether to accept proposed terms, and makes room for customized agreements with payment schedules and ownership arrangements a judge simply could not order. A reliable business valuation typically serves as the foundation for settlement discussions with professionals drawing on market, income, or asset-based approaches depending on the type of company and the available financial records. New York does not require a single uniform valuation formula, so the method selected can significantly shape the number that ultimately drives the negotiation between the two spouses. Every business and every divorce presents its own unique challenges, and having experienced legal guidance through that process can make all the difference in reaching a resolution that protects your interests. Bronx divorce attorney Juan Luciano helps business-owning clients coordinate financial disclosure, valuation, and settlement terms while carefully considering how any agreement will affect the company's ongoing operations. As a dedicated divorce lawyer, Juan Luciano also handles contested divorce issues when mediation does not produce a complete agreement, ensuring clients have skilled representation at every stage. When you are ready to take the next step, contact Juan Luciano Divorce Lawyer, Bronx, located at 187 East 163rd Street, Bronx, New York 10451, United States, by calling 718-519-8336 to schedule a consultation and discuss mediation strategies that can help protect your business.